Okay guys, I'm just winding up for the night. It's 20 past 10. We had a great meeting, and in the meeting we had a look at a tool to help you work out your stop, your position size against account, etc, etc. Now I've just done a few tweaks to it, and I'll drop this in the Discord in the tools section for you to use, and it's very simple. So the top section, you set your parameters based on the account itself. So for argument's sake, I'll just change the numbers so we can see it. So let's just say you've got a 5,000 account. See, things change. Now, the amount you want to invest per day. So it's the amount you're willing to lose on the day, not per trade, the day. And might be 10%, 2%, 3%, could be anything you want. So just so that we can see the change, we'll turn that to 3. And what it's telling you is you're allowed 150 quid to invest in that day. Once you lose more than 150 quid, game over. Now, the max size is based on price per 100 or a pound 1,000. Now, you can change this. It's telling you 5 grand account has a max size of, as it says here, a fiver. Okay, I'm just going to put that over to there. Okay, so it's a max size of £5. Now you can alter this and say, well, I feel a bit braver, I can up my bid size to £2 1,000 or 20p per 100, and it'll tell you your max size is 10. Personally, I'm a conservative trader, so I leave it at standard, which is £1 1,000. Okay, so that's telling me I've got a fiver max on the account. Now per asset, you may want to downgrade that, you may want to upgrade that based on what you're looking at, and then this will work it out a little bit further. So the first thing you would do is you put in whatever the market is, in this case euro dollar. It's currently running at 48 as its ATR. Now you might know this inside out, and you might think, do you know something, I know I've got 150 quid to play with. I might take all of that on a singular asset and put in 3. So it'll tell you what you're going to invest is the full 150. Now, you might say, well, I don't like this market, but I still fancy trading it. I'm only going to do 1%. So it tells you that the most you can lose on that asset is 50. Okay? Or you could just go somewhere in the middle and say 2%. So I'm doing 2%, which is 100 quid. Okay, how do I feel about trading this market? Do I agree with a pound 1,000 or 10p per 100? Or do I want to put it up a bit more? Well, the ATR doesn't move that far. I know it inside out. I might be a bit reckless and I'll do 2. So it's telling me the max size I can put into this market is 10 quid. But I've only got £100 to play with. So that means my stop loss will be about 10 pips. Might be a bit much. So I might go somewhere in the middle and say, well, I'm going to go 6 quid. Now what it'll tell me is what the stop is. So I need to fit my stop based on market structures, etc., within 17 pips. And if I do that, it'll cover this, it'll cover that, and it's using 34% of the ATR on 17%. Okay. Now the kicker here is my max size, which is here, I'm now oversizing it. I know that, but the asset size 6 is less than what I decided to go with. All right. So what it's done is it's painted a little picture for me. Now I might think 17 pips is too tight, so I'm going to have to reduce my position size, and 20 might be still too tight. 4, half of ATR, 25, I'll kind of go with that. I know it's starting to oversize, which is here, but my asset size is good. But if I drop that back to this, well, I'm within parameters. My max size is good. My asset size is good. I'm trading at 4 quid, so I'm below this. lose 100 quid. It's told me my stop and I know what the ATR is. Now you can do this on multiple assets. Now this one's running currently at 92. I might say, do you know what? I only want to do a quid or 1% on this one. I am only going to stick to the standard of 10p. I'm going to go in with this one though at a fiver. Well, if I go in at a fiver, I've only got a 10 pip stop. So again, I need to worry. So if I adjust that, start at say 2 quid, 25 pip stop. Okay. What about a pound? Well, if I go on at a pound, it's half the ATR, 50 pip to work the position size out for me. And what it's doing for you is it's painting a picture of keeping you safe. That's the general gist of what that tool is all about. And as long as you stick to roughly about half a daily ATR, tell you what the stop is, the size will work that out for you, and then you'll always know how much something is going to cost based on the parameters that you put in. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.